Have you ever wondered why your grandmother refuses to sew on New Year's Day, or why your friend from Japan avoids cutting threads at night like it's a ghostly summons? Welcome to the quirky world of sewing superstitions, where every stitch and snip carries a tale of mystery and magic. This isn't just about needle and thread, it's about a tapestry of beliefs woven through time and cultures, some of which are as bizarre as they are bewildering. Good luck stitches, sewing on New Year's Day. In many cultures, the act of sewing on the first day of the year is more than a simple thread through fabric. It's a charm for prosperity and good luck. This widespread belief holds that each stitch sewn as the calendar turns is a seed planted for success and abundance. The origins of this superstition are murky, but it is prevalent in cultures from East Asia to Eastern Europe, showing the shared human desire to influence fate with tangible actions. In the West, some interpret this tradition by starting a new sewing project on New Year's Day, while others ensure they make at least one stitch in an ongoing piece. This act is often accompanied by specific rituals, such as using a thread of gold for the first stitch or sewing a small pouch of prosperity herbs into the garment. The psychological impact of this superstition is not to be underestimated. It fosters a sense of control and optimism at the start of the year, setting a positive tone for the months to follow. Cursed cuts, the Egyptian days of bad luck. Ancient Egyptians took their sewing superstitions seriously, particularly when it came to the days deemed unlucky for cutting cloth. Tuesdays and Saturdays were often avoided for such activities, believed to bring misfortune and disrupt the cosmic balance. This superstition might have stemmed from astrological beliefs or the mythological narratives prevalent during those times. The fear of bringing bad luck through the simple act of cutting fabric on these specific days illustrates the profound respect Egyptians had for the spiritual dimensions of everyday tasks. Even today, some modern practitioners of traditional crafts in Egypt observe these ancient customs, avoiding scissors on certain days. This enduring belief underscores the powerful connection between cultural heritage and contemporary practices, bridging ancient superstitions with modern-day rituals. Nighttime needles, Japanese and Ukrainian beliefs. In Japan, it's considered bad luck to unravel or cut threads after the sun has set. This superstition is rooted in the idea that night brings with it a vulnerability to evil spirits, and that engaging in activities like sewing could invite these spirits into one's life. Similarly, in Ukraine, there's a belief that sewing with a needle after sunset could lead to a restless night's sleep, as if the act of piercing fabric might inadvertently pierce the veil between the waking world and that of dreams. These beliefs, though geographically and culturally distinct, share a common thread: the fear of disturbing the unseen. In Japan, some even go as far as to cover their needles with cloth after dark as a sign of respect to the gods who watch over the night. Such superstitions not only offer a window into the fears and concerns of a culture, but also show how traditions can guide daily behavior, even in something as seemingly mundane as sewing. The fate of the broken needle, European traditions. In many parts of Europe, when a needle breaks, it isn't just tossed away, it's given a proper send-off by being buried in a potted plant. This custom is not merely about disposing of sharp objects safely, but is imbued with a charm for good fortune. The belief is that as the needle decomposes, it fertilizes the plant, symbolizing growth and regeneration. This ritual highlights a respectful attitude towards tools of the trade, acknowledging their service and ensuring they are retired with honor. Similar customs can be found in other cultures, where broken tools are treated with ceremonies that reflect their importance in daily life. By examining these diverse and often eccentric sewing superstitions, we uncover not only unique cultural quirks, but also a universal human inclination towards ritual and symbolism in everyday life. These stitched-in mysteries invite us to look closer at the threads that bind our world together.
Thanks for watching. Push the purple flower to subscribe and you can watch all kinds of awesome videos.